I'm going to show you how to add video to a story that you have already created. So the story is at the gardens. So I'll click on that. And then we go down to videos and sounds. Click on that. And now you can see here are the 3 pages to the story, but there's no video added. So we're going to add, first of all, a video to page 1. So click on Edit. And we're going to add a video. Click on the Add button. It is a video, yes, but you could also add a sound, but this is a video. And it is a previously used video, but you could go and get a new video from File, or you could get one from straight off a cell phone if you wanted to do that too. But this is a previously used video. I'm going to scroll down till I find the one I want. Here it is. I'm going to hit the tick button, and I'm going to create a section out of that video. So hit New Section. Now we can play the video by hitting the triangle button. Here's our video.
We got some duck food to feed the ducks.
I will pause it. And then we can decide which bit of this video we want to use. So I'll go back to the beginning, and I can play it. And when I want the video to start, the bit to use to start, I hit on this green arrow here. And when I want the clip to be finished, I hit the red one. So let me show you. In this one, I'm just going to start playing. I'm going to hit the green one, and that's where the video will start playing. Now go back, hit the triangle button, and then I'm going to wait. Go over to that red button, and I'm going to stop it there. So this is the section that I have selected out, and I'm going to play it.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
Make sure that I'm happy with it. You can move it, you can shorten it by just going up here and moving along the little red box, the little blue box. Same with the other blue box, you can move that too. And then when you're happy with the section that you've chosen, hit the tick button. You can always go in now and add more video for that page if you want, but we're still on page 1. So when you're happy with page 1, then just hit the tick button, and you get back to this window. So now you can see we've actually got video sitting in there for page 1. Let's do the same thing for page 2. So we go into Edit, we add, it's a video, the video button. It is actually the last video used, so I'm going to click on that one because it's the same video I'm going to use. Hit New Section, and here it is, and this time I'm going to select a slightly different section of the video. So I'm going to hit the green button right at the start, push play.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
I'm going to hit the red button, the arrow. Now we'll play it.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
Over here you can see how long that sequence is. It's 6.93 seconds. I think anything under about 10 seconds works really well for each page. So hit the tick button. And again, we know we're in page 2. We've edited, we've got the video imported, and if you want to add more video to that page you can, but if you just want that one, then hit the tick button. So now we've attached video to page 2. Let's go to page 3. Okay, we're going to add video. Let's go back up to the video. Again, it's the last video used, but you can go and get any new video you want. Last video used. It's a new section. This time I'm going to get the bit of the video where the train comes. So I'm going to play it.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
Okay. I'm going to start it there, play it.
And the train came past.
Okay, let's play it.
And the train came past.
I think it's a little bit long, so I'm going to move that little blue box over a bit more and start it there.
And the train.
Now it's 10 seconds and that's a good length. So I'm happy with that. I hit the tick button and we've added video to page 3. So I hit the tick button. Now we've got video for each of the pages. And then at the end of the story, you can have all of those videos playing. It's a bit like a reward for having worked with a story, that the student gets to see all the videos all together. Video is very, very motivating. So click on End of Story, and it's going to add all the videos of each page in one to play at the end of the story. So let's do that. Add all page. It's going to combine all the videos. You say yes, and that's all you need to do. It's done. So let's have a look. We'll go into listen to mode.
At the gardens.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
Go to the next page.
We fed the ducks.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks.
And let's go to the last page.
A train came past.
And the train came past.
We'll go to the end of the book. And now it's playing all the
Then we got
videos
some
for
duck
the three
food to
pages,
feed the
one
ducks.
after the other.
Then we got some duck food to feed the ducks. And the train came past.
And that's how you add video to pages.